Well, it's me again, Gareth from Port Monkeys, and today we are on the beautiful Carnival Radiance. Now, the Carnival Radiance began its life, was originally launched in the year 2000 as the Carnival Victory, and then in 2020, Carnival spent $200 million refurbishing it, and it became the Carnival Radiance. And it's a beautiful ship, as you're going to see, and I'm going to just show you some of the highlights. So if you want a longer, more detailed look at the ship, look at our Carnival Radiance complete tour. Anyway, this is the lobby. There's these stairways on each side going up to deck 4. We're on deck 3. There's guest services over there. Of course, this is the lobby bar. And those are the glass elevators. And there's Carnival Adventures over there. And the Dream Studio. Let's go forward. But first, let's take a look up here. So it's got one of those really tall atriums with glass elevators. By the way, down on 2, that's the art gallery, but the art is all somewhere else, so they must be having an art auction. Maybe we'll see that. We've gone up to deck 4, and this is the Pixels photo gallery. And this is the cash register. And there's the lobby bar again. And on this side, it's the Java Blue Cafe. Coffee here costs extra money. It's also the Sunrise Restaurant. The Sunrise Restaurant is on 2 decks, 3 and 4, as is the Sunset Restaurant in the back of the ship, decks 3 and 4. This is the Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse. Ooh, looks like they're recharging their candles. This has a $42 per person cover charge, and it goes around to the back there. This is the Liquid Lounge, the ship's main showroom.
Hello.
Hi. We're on the ground level, which is deck 4. You can also enter up on deck 5. It's a pretty big showroom, nice seating arrangement, but it does have obstructions. Here's a shot of it from deck 5. Those chairs down there on the floor can be moved, and sometimes they do shows that take up the floor space also. We are now up on deck 5. There's the lobby bar down below. And this is the fun shops of Carnival. So we've got shops on each side. Cherry on top here behind me. The Radiance Casino entrance will be there in just a moment. And more shops on this side. Also, we have the Warehouse Arcade. A lot of video games and stuff in there. And the Heroes Bar. This is the Heroes Tribute Bar, which is also the ship's sports bar. So, American heroes and sporting events. And of course a bar. And an entrance to the casino. This is the Warehouse Video Arcade. And it's playing loud music, all these machines. But I'm going to go around to there. Right? And that's it. Hours of fun. This is the Radiance Casino. We're going to move fairly quickly in here. Table games, roulette, craps over on this side, slot machines. All the slot machines are new, or newer anyway. Non-smoking area, smoking area. They have plenty of these kind of machines. They have a bar. That's the Radiance Casino. If I go this way, I will get to the Limelight Lounge. It's a little difficult to reach sometimes. Cashier. So I came down the stairs from the Radiance Casino to back to deck 4, and here's the entrance to the Limelight Lounge and the Punchliner Comedy Club. And it's roped off, but it's up there. I came back up to Promenade Deck 5, back to the Radiance Casino, and we're going to head further aft. Right here, you can find a map of the ship's path. There's only a 4-day cruise to Ensenada and Catalina. This brings us to Bonsai Sushi. There's an idea. California roll 6, spicy tuna 6, I guess. $8 for those. This is the Red Frog Pub. They do karaoke in here, and there's some games you can play around to the side. This is Piano Bar 88, and it's locked. But it looks like that. This is the Alchemy Bar, where they make drinks a little bit different. So we went all the way up to deck 9 because 6, 7, and 8 are passenger cabins and laundromats. Over here is the Tides Bar. That's Pizzeria de Capitano, free pizza. We've got a pool, a couple of hot tubs, Tides pool, and Shack's Big Chicken. This is Shack's Big Chicken. You get chicken sandwiches or chicken strips, and it's really good. And you might remember him, but this is Shack. Bach. That brings us to the Lido Marketplace. This is the ship's buffet. And it's pretty early morning. Well, it's 7 o'clock, and it says the buffet is still closed. But I guess some of it's open. It is not very big, and there is not enough seating for the number of passengers on this ship. Up those stairs is Cucina di Capitano, an Italian restaurant, but it's closed in the morning, so you can go up there and sit, because nobody else does. This is the Seafood Shack, and it's a la carte. And it's in the buffet. Let's head forward. This is Guy's Burger Joint, and they don't open till noon on this ship. This is the Blue Iguana Cantina, and they're open for breakfast. They make breakfast burritos and arepas, whatever that is. And then at lunch, burritos, tacos, everything. This is the Blue Iguana Tequila Bar. Now, the cantina's free. Tequila Bar is not. And this is the main pool. And boy, it gets crowded when this ship is full. Lots of seating. I've never seen the seating all filled up. There's more seating up there on deck 10. This is the Red Frog Rum Bar. Let's go up. So here's a aerial look from deck 10 back down at deck 9. And this is Carnival Waterworks, and the aqua tunnel slide, the blue one, and the twister, the yellow one, they end right here. And normally this is all full of water, but I guess they're not open yet, so they didn't fill it. So we're on deck 11 forward, and this is the Cloud 9 Spa. And there's really not much to see in here because it's all behind closed doors mostly, like those. If you cut through the spa, then you're in the fitness center, and this is it. Lots of free weights and an orange. Fitness center. Cloud 9 Spa. We're up on deck 12 forward, and this is the kids area through there, those doors, and Camp Ocean. This is your kids club. Of course, that leads back out. That's the stairway up to the water slides. Night Owls has finished early due to lack of participation. Mainly because it says closed, and they lock it. But I see foosball in there, and a dance floor, and I don't want to say it's a bar, but I think it's a bar. Circle C, age 12 to 14. Club 02, age 15 to 17. Opens at 1 p.m. This is the Serenity Adults Only area, and they have a bar, and they have a stairway that leads up to more on deck 14. So we came up that stairway. This is deck 14. This is adults only here. if you know what I mean. Over there is the entrance to the slides. Blue slide, yellow slide. And that should say adults only, but it doesn't. So I went back down to deck 10 from 14 up there, and the Serenity starts on 12, goes to 14. There's Waterworks, still not open. There's the main pool. We're going to walk aft here on deck 10. The next area we're going to come to is the smoking area. Well, we're all the way in the back of the ship on deck 10. Up there is Sports Square with the ropes course and a basketball court and everything else. That's the tides pool area down below there. So let's go back up to deck 11. This is Guy's Pig and Anchor Barbecue. And it's included too, but they're only open on sea days for a couple of hours. And on this cruise, we only have one sea day, and that's today. Now we're on deck 11, and this is Sports Square. They have an outside foosball table. They have the ropes course, it's free. They have a basketball court, which is a little weird shaped. They have a pool table outdoors. So 1 mile is 11 laps around this blue track. Go up one more. This is mini golf. So there's clubs, balls, and a 9-hole course. So from the Carnival Radiance, this is Gareth from Port Monkeys saying, Port Monkeys out, and I'll see you in the next port. Bye. There's the funnel, and here's the view from up here. Brightly colored ship, isn't it? And people working all the time. So there's the buffet. We came up the stairs, Cucina del Capitano, and this is it. It's open for lunch in the afternoons, and it's free, and then in the evenings, it's, I think, $20. We're in the very back of the ship on Atlantic Deck 4, and this is the Sunset Restaurant. This is anytime dining, and it's on Deck 3 and Deck 4. It's also where they have the Sea Day brunch, and today is a sea day.